What's up, Fido? Are you a good boy, Fido? Are you? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Are you sure you're a good boy? Huh? Did you eat poop today, Fido? Did you eat poop? Uh-huh. I knew it. Yep.
Cookie! What is all this? What did you do? Come here. Say sorry. How do you say sorry? Are you sorry? Are you sorry?
Hey, who did this mess? Bandit, come here. Bandit, was that you? Look at me. Hey, was this you? No, it wasn't you. Duke? Duke, was it you? Was that mess you? Was that you? Or was it Ruger? Was it you? Ruger? Ruger? Did you do this mess?
So I just got home and I see that Chubbs has chewed through the trash can. Chubbs, come here. Who did this? Who did this? Did you do this?
Did you chew this up, Molly?
Nelly, did you make the mess? Who made that mess? Freud. Did you make that mess? Freud. Did you make that mess? Mitch, did you make the mess? You made the mess? Huh? You did the pee-pee and the poo-poo? Naughty boy.
Goblin, did you bite this? Did you bite this, little girl? Did you bite this, puppy? Did you bite this? Did you bite this, baby girl? Look at me. Little girl?
Why did you kill my plants, Louis? Why? Why? Naughty boy. You're guilty, eh? You're sorry for what you did? You're sorry? You're sorry? You're sorry? I forgive you, I forgive you.
Did you eat Mama's flip-flop? Did you? Did you do this? Brandy, did you do this? Did you? Was this you? Did you do it? Huh? This is not your flip-flop. You do not chew things that do not belong to you. You bad girl, you sit in the corner.
Stanley, did you do this? Did you do this? Did you do this, Stanley? Stanley, did you do this? Did you do this? Stanley.
Riley, hello? Rouse, can you look at me? Hello? What happened here?
Oh, hey. What's up? You guys want to tell me who did this to the couch? Does anybody want to tell me who did this? Did you do it, Jeter? Did you do it? Huh? Or did you do it?
Look at me. Did you do it? Or did you do it? Wait. Did you do it? Little bit? Just do right now.
Oh my god. We came to the kitchen and this is what we found.
Junior.
Don't ignore us.
Who did this, Junior? Get closer. Junior, who did this, Junior?
Oh my god. Bruno,
You
where
just
are you?
ate, Junior.
Can you believe what he did, Bruno? Look at what he did, Bruno.
Did you chew my shoes? Bella, sit. Did you chew my shoes? Who chews my shoes? Who chewed my shoes?
I think we know who's guilty.
Did you do it, Stomper? Did you do it? No? Bella, did you chew my shoe?
He's so sweet, but she looks guilty. Look at her tail.
Bella, did you chew my shoe?
She totally did it. He's just like, I didn't
Did
do
you
it.
Stomper?
Callaway, come here. Come here. What's this, Cal? Callaway? What's this? What's this? You wrecked my hat. On my birthday. Bye. Come here. Come here. Don't wag your tail. Hey, stop wagging your tail. Are you sorry? Shake a paw. Other paw. Okay. Okay, that's good.